In this video, I'm going to tell you about an amazing video generator tool where you can create videos unlimited times. Yes, unlimited. The tool's name is RunwayML. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to create videos easily and quickly. At the end of this video, I'll also share a trick with you that will allow you to use it unlimited times. This trick is not about creating multiple accounts or using fake emails. This is a legit trick that I'll share with you at the end of the video. So let's head over to the RunwayML website. When you first create an account, you'll get 125 credits, which you can use to try the tools. But don't worry about the credits, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use it without any limits. The trick I'll share with you later will help you use it unlimited times. Let's take a quick look at the tools available. RunwayML has 35 tools, and we can't cover all of them here because the video would be too long. But let's focus on some of the main ones. The first tool is the Generative section. This tool allows you to turn images into videos. Just upload your image and give a prompt and hit on generate, and bam, your video is ready. This is really an amazing tool. You can also create audio from text, and there's a lip sync tool that helps you sync lips with any video. You can even remove backgrounds from videos using the Remove Background tool. These are just a few of the tools that are super helpful. Now, RunwayML has 35 tools in total. Obviously, we can't cover all of them here because the video will get way too long. But the tools I just mentioned, they're the highlights. Oh, and there's one more tool called motion tracking. It's really amazing. Once you explore, you'll find so much more to do with this platform. Now, here's the trick I promised. To get access to unlimited usage, quickly go to the channel bio or check the video description or pinned comment. You'll find a link to our WhatsApp community group. Join the group, and you'll get the trick there. Now, most of people will say, why can't I share the trick here? Well, we can't show the trick live here because it may go against YouTube's community guidelines, and we don't want to risk a strike on our channel. But don't worry, just join the group and you'll get all the details. Before we finish, I'd love to hear from you. What's the next AI website you want me to make a video on? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more informative and tricky videos like this one. Hit the bell icon so you're always updated when we post new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.